Hi, my name is Laide Matthews, and this is how to use IbadanAgents.com. If you are looking for properties in Ibadan and you don't want to go through the stress of speaking through many agents, IbadanAgent.com is your sure plug for real estate services in Ibadan. We are reliable and we are very, very safe. Most of our agents are professionals and people that have a lot of years of experience in the business. So, how do you use IbadanAgent.com? Number one, you need to go to your browser, whether you are using for Safari or you're using Chrome or Firefox. So in this case, I'm just going to use the internet browser that I have on this mobile device. So would go to ibadanagent.com. So this is IbadanAgent.com platform, and it is very, very friendly. It's user friendly and it is very easy for you to make your request. So let's say you want to request for a particular location in Ibadan. You click on location and then you look for the location you are looking for. It is very, very easy. There are locations here in Ibadan that we cover, that we have on the platform, that you can always select from. So you click, let's say you are looking for a 3 bedroom apartment in Bodija. You click on Bodija, and the preferred property should be for someone that wants to rent an apartment, should be flat or apartment. So you get started, and then it's going to ask you the question that, do you want to buy, do you want to sell, do you want to rent, or you want to become an agent? For in this case, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show how you can make requests. Let's say you want to rent property here in Ibadan. So you click on rent property, then your preferred location. You selected previously we selected Bodija. So we click on Bodija. Other locations that you might want to, let's say for this video, would click on Agodi. Then property preference, flats and apartment. For sub preference, mini flats or standard flats. So you can leave this space or you can decide to select one of the options that we have here. So you click on standard flat. The numbers of rooms, let's say for this case you are looking for 3 bedroom. Then for your budget, for the case of for just an example for this video will be 1.5 million. So give more specifications. Oh, I need POP, gated estates, security or secured, uh, and a new building. Then you click on next. Then it will ask for your name. Let's say for this case, I'm just going to put Laide Matthews, and also my surname Laide Matthews. WhatsApp contacts, I'm just going to put a WhatsApp contact there. Then occupation, business, you put your occupation, and my email address would just, it's for the case of this video, I'll just put hello at ibadanagent.com. Alternative contacts is optional. You can decide to leave it there or put it there. But for some people that probably you have two contacts, you have one for your mobile call and then you have a WhatsApp. You can decide to drop the one for mobile phone. If we can't reach you on WhatsApp, you can decide to drop the one for your mobile call here on the alternative contacts. Then you submit the application. And once you submit the application, it is done. So that's how it is for Ibadan agents. That's how it works. It is very easy, and once we get your requests, you'll receive a message from us, and we'll start working on your request. And once we get your request done, we'll send you the list of properties that we've been able to get for you. And after that, you go for your inspection, you make your payment, and you pack in. It is that easier. So go to ibadanagent.com today and drop your request. Thank you very much. My name is Laide Matthews for ibadanagent.com.